On the in the middle there, that's a herbicide trial that we applied different rates of herbicide um, uh, to pulse crops, so lentils growing on a sandy soil last year. So you can see that these are the chips that we can get back. So a really good visualization tool. You can clearly see there that the different treatments have had vastly different effects on the way that that crop might be growing, and the vegetation index has been quite good. The other trial that we ran this year is a summer fallow trial. So looking at what herbicides may kill weeds in the summer fallow period to conserve water, and you can clearly see there that this is the first time we've really deployed the drone in this way, but we collected some really good data across the different new farm herbicide products there. And it was really useful in showing, demonstrating which treatments we got a good kill on and which treatments we didn't, and how long treatments took to die as well. So we flew that trial every week there and collected that data. And the other thing about that trial, I think that surprised everyone, we're dealing with less than 6% ground cover or vegetative ground cover when we started. So the accuracy of the pixel size, getting that pixel size down to sub-centimeter, has really allowed us to actually pick out very small differences that were very difficult to actually try and pick up from a scoring system that we might have traditionally used when you're trying to rate basically how effective that herbicide was against the weeds.
How high were you flying those trials? I mean, just to get a feel for the resolution.
I think we may have flown that one around about 40 meters, something like that. So
Okay.
could have been 50, could have been 60, yeah. But
Yeah, so that's like you said,
pretty
probably
low.
sub-centimeter for sure. Yeah.